Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and if you want to link your Fortnite games same account in multiple devices, it could be your PS5, PS4 or Xbox or your mobile, then this video is for you. First, you have to download the Epic Games launcher in both platform or the multiple platform that you want to use that one Fortnite account. So I am on my PC, so you have to go to the Epic Games and make sure that you are logged into the same account where you have just downloaded the Fortnite or you are using to connect your Fortnite account. So from here you have to simply click on your profile icon here, and from here go to settings. Now after going to the settings, you can find the, let me show you. Sorry, that was wrong. So you have to simply click on account, not settings. So click on account and it will lead you to the Epic Games official webpage where you can find it is just loading here. So you can find some account. If there's a problem, if it shows something went wrong, then you can simply search for Epic Games launcher and go to the official webpage. Here it is. Now simply go to the store and you can find that it is already logged in. So you can use the same Gmail on your Chrome browser. So using that, you can search the official website of Epic Games. Then you can simply click on your profile name here and go to the account. Simply click on account and you have to wait until it loads. Here it is. Now from here you can simply scroll down and you can find, let me show you, linked account. So you can simply click on it and you can find different types of platform where you can link them. So from here, if you want to connect it in the mobile, so you can use the same, you can download the Fortnite game on your mobile phone and you can use the login credentials like your Gmail, the associated Gmail and the password that you have saved to create a Fortnite game, or you can link it with your Facebook, so you can log into the same Facebook account on your mobile device. Then you can use that Facebook account to log into the account that are actually associated with that Fortnite account. Or if you want to link it, your Fortnite account with PS4 or 5, then you can link to PlayStation Network or Xbox, Nintendo account, and it's also Steam and the Twitch and GitHub also. So you can use this platform to go to actually connect through multiple platforms like PS4, PS5, Xbox, Nintendo, Switch, and also the mobile devices. So that's pretty much all things. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.